today's artists are more united than yesterday artists?
The difference is just with I think that's a difference, but it's just that these days tango modernize music.
It's tricky. It's tricky, like because Madera Edu maybe write it on my phone or something. That's a serious issue. But now today, my young artists, you know, my pictures are not actually around because they'll be together.
But the love, your art is still the same.
Do you think there's more unit today?
This year's ayo akudara madara edu ekudara ngakabatana ezinozvapfana umwe ntambo kwanganiswa nechisalad nechichichi, but we are getting there. We're now getting to that point yekuti takubatana again, because ukaona ma artists akawanda chienda kuma shows emama artists, that means love iripo.
Today Andy Muridzo was playing here on a Sunday, or traditionally he plays here on Wednesdays. It was Andy and friends. Your comment?
Yeah, it's a good thing, you know, that sometimes but I'm happy because somebody artists like you so much so it shows you are going somewhere.
Chisha unofunga kuti iwe chiri kuita kuti urambe uchifamba besides all the controversy around Andy Muridzo? Chisha unofunga kuti chiri kukunetsa pari zvino? Where do you think you are now? Any news for your fans?